Here's another controller local to where the system's installed to the air conditioning airstream. So this controller is identical to the one that is interfaced for the user. In the control panel, we have the controllers that allow for the modulation and the controlling of the ozone section and the precipitator section. The ozone sensors in the ductwork. This is for the return, or measures basically the space ozone levels in parts per million. And then we have another sensor in the supply duct indicating the parts per million.